K-pop is not just music for Vietnamese youth. It became an important part of their growing up. From the late 1990s, when internet was still new, K-pop quietly entered our lives. It came through television channels and music discs. Generation 8X and 9X discovered it accidentally on TV. Now, Gen Z enjoys concerts and global streaming. This journey shows K-pop's amazing cultural power worldwide. Generation 8X and 9X experienced K-pop differently. Internet was slow and expensive then. Smartphones did not exist widely. People listened through cassette tapes and VCD discs. Music channels like MTV Asia introduced K-pop. Arirang TV also showed Korean music videos. Fans recorded songs on their small devices. K-pop felt like a precious secret discovery. Legendary groups started the K-pop wave. H.O.T. and Shinhwa amazed young fans. S.E.S. and Bo.A. brought beautiful voices. Then came TVXQ and Super Junior. Big Bang and SNSD became super popular. Their fashion and dance moves inspired everyone. Vietnamese youth copied their hairstyles and clothes. K-pop created a colorful dream world for them. Fans showed their love in simple ways. They wrote song lyrics in notebooks. They copied CDs for friends. K-pop ringtones filled Nokia phones. They saved songs on memory cards. Without social media, passion remained private. K-pop felt like a luxurious, beautiful dream. Television was their only window to this magical world. The years 2000 to 2010 marked K-pop's golden era in Vietnam. Internet became faster and more accessible. YouTube emerged as a game-changer for music lovers. Local platforms like Zing, MP3, and Facebook became fan hubs. Kites and ITV websites fueled the K-pop fever. Fandoms grew rapidly during this period. Vietnamese fans finally had spaces to connect. The K-pop community became more visible and vibrant. Iconic groups dominated this exciting period. Big Bang revolutionized K-pop with their style. 2NE1 brought powerful girl crush concept. Wonder Girls spread through nobody dance craze. SNSD became nation's girl group. Shiny impressed with sharp performances. EXO attracted massive fan base quickly. BTS began their remarkable journey. Each group left unique marks on Vietnamese fans. Vietnamese fans became more active and creative. They translated lyrics and made subtitles. Fan cam videos spread through online communities. Fan clubs organized more professionally. Cover dance groups performed everywhere. Cosplay events featured idol outfits. Bedrooms filled with posters and banners. K-pop became cultural bridge between countries. New trends defined this generation's K-pop love. Dance covers appeared in school festivals. Fans learned complex choreography moves. Banner making became popular art form. Photo collections showed deep dedication. K-pop influenced fashion and beauty standards. It shaped Vietnamese youth's lifestyle choices. The connection grew beyond just music enjoyment. Today's generation experiences K-pop digitally. High-speed internet connects them instantly. TikTok and YouTube deliver content immediately. Spotify offers unlimited music access. Global fan pages unite international fans. Idols feel closer through live streams. Virtual concerts break distance barriers. K-pop integrates deeply into digital lifestyle. Modern fandom culture has evolved significantly. Light sticks wave at concerts proudly. Album collections show serious commitment. Online voting supports idol achievements. Donations demonstrate financial dedication. International concerts attract Vietnamese fans. Fan meetings create memorable experiences. TikTok trends spread K-pop challenges globally. Stan culture defines contemporary K-pop experience. Fandom language creates unique identity. Fan wars sometimes create online conflicts. Reaction videos generate entertainment content. Fancam videos highlight individual members. Photocard trading becomes popular hobby. K-pop influences fashion and beauty standards. Fans don't just listen, they live K-pop. Today's youth immerses completely in K-pop world. Music blends with fashion and lifestyle. Thinking patterns reflect K-pop values. Beauty standards show Korean influence. Social media connects global communities. K-pop becomes life philosophy for some. It's more than entertainment, it's identity. Digital generation lives and breathes K-pop culture. Comparing different generations reveals interesting patterns. Generation 8X and 9X loved idols quietly. Their affection was simple and deeply personal. Gen Z expresses love through technology. Their approach is global and very public. Both generations share the same passion. They just show it in different ways. The core love for K-pop remains unchanged. Earlier generations developed deeper connections. Limited access made love more precious. Every song felt like special discovery. Today's generation experiences rapid changes. Easy access brings constant new content. Both have their unique advantages. Slow love versus fast enjoyment. Each generation treasures their K-pop memories. Despite differences, common threads unite them. Everyone finds youth in K-pop music. It represents emotions and community. It stores precious life memories. K-pop connects people across ages. It creates shared understanding. Music bridges generation gaps beautifully. All find comfort in Korean melodies. K-pop serves as emotional sanctuary for all. It provides escape from daily stress. It offers friendship through fandom communities. It gives purpose during difficult times. Music becomes life companion. Lyrics inspire personal growth. Performances bring joy and hope. K-pop transcends being mere entertainment. K-pop transformed from foreign music to familiar culture. It became a natural part of Vietnamese life. From Nokia phones to light sticks, technology changed, but heart vibrations remain the same. Idols continue making hearts beat. Music still connects young people. The essence of fandom love persists. Only expressions evolved over time. Each generation found their unique connection. 8X and 9X cherished limited content. They valued each song like treasure. Gen Z enjoys abundant choices. They explore diverse musical styles. Both appreciate K-pop's quality. Production value always impresses fans. Artistic creativity crosses all boundaries. K-pop's journey reflects Vietnam's development, from limited access to global integration, from secret passion to open celebration. Music accompanied national progress. Youth culture evolved alongside. K-pop witnessed technological advances. It adapted to changing times successfully. Its popularity keeps growing stronger. K-pop's magic lies in its timeless appeal. It captures youthful dreams and hopes. It provides soundtrack for growing up. From cassette tapes to streaming platforms. From TV screens to concert stages. The music continues inspiring generations. K-pop remains a beautiful cultural gift. It will keep making hearts dance.